Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to delete all objects in MT4 or MT5. Okay, so when analyzing charts in MT4 or MT5, traders often add different chart objects such as trend lines, horizontal lines, rectangles, um, you know, and so on and so forth, Fibonacci tools and all of that, right? And even text labels, right? Now, over time, these objects can clutter the chart and make it harder to analyze price movements. So deleting all objects at once can quickly reset your chart and give you a clean workspace. The first step is to open the chart with objects, right? We are on the chart already. So the objects that are currently on your chart, which are maybe trend lines, horizontal, all of that, right? Basically, what we have on this chart now is just an example. If the chart becomes crowded, removing all of them are going to help simplify your view. So you just have to right click on the chart. A menu will appear with several options related to chart settings and tools. All right. You click on object list. Okay, when you click on object list, it's going to show you all the objects currently placed on the chart. Each object will appear in a list, with its name and type, right? You can see this is the objects are the names, right? So this feature allows you to manage, edit, or remove chart objects easily. Now, to select all objects, inside the object list window, click on any object on the list, okay, and then press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the objects. All right, then you just click the delete button. Okay, so this is how to do it. Very easy, very fast, very quick. So a quick recap for you: to delete all objects in MT4 or MT5, just right click on the chart, you go to your object list, press Ctrl A to select all objects, and you click delete. This is a quick way to clear your chart and start fresh with a new analysis. If you found any value in this video, kindly like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.